This video shows a problem on enthalpy. Find a change in enthalpy involved in heating 100 kilograms of carbon dioxide from 25 degrees to 700 degrees Celsius. We are given a formula for the change in enthalpy, which is the number of moles multiplied by the integral of Cp delta T from temperature 1 to temperature 2. Solving for this, with delta H, and from T1, T2, our Cp is represented as A plus Bt plus Ct squared plus dt cubed plus At to the 4 delta T. That would give us the number of moles multiplied by At squared plus Bt squared over 2 plus Ct cubed over 3 plus dt4 over 4 plus et5 over 5 from T1 to T2. Our T1, which is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, we need to transform it into Kelvin. That would give us 298 Kelvin. Our T2 is 700 degrees Celsius. Transform that into Kelvin, that would give us 973 Kelvin. For the number of moles, we are given 100 kilograms. So to get the number of moles, we just have to divide 100 kilograms by 44, which is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide. Substituting this into our equation, 100 over 4 multiplied by constant A, 27.437, multiplied by the change in our temperature, 173 minus 298 plus 42.3150 times 10 to negative 3 over 2 times change in temperature, 973 squared minus 298 squared minus 1.9555 times 10 to the negative 5 over 3 times 973 cubed minus 298 cubed plus 3.9968 times 10 to the negative 9 over 4 multiplied by 173 to the 4th minus 298 to the 4th minus 2.9872 times 10 to the negative 13 over 5 multiplied by 973 to the 5th minus 298 to the 5th. And our final answer would be 71,990 kilojoules. That's our change in enthalpy. And that's it.